MSI Cyborg 15 Gaming. The next phase of evolution is here. Dive into the world of games in cyberpunk style, flex your sci-fi fashion, and outplay your opponent with revolutionary hardware. Incorporating a futuristic mechanized exterior design, the Cyborg 15A13V is built to be the most groundbreaking, avant-garde gaming laptop. Thin and light body. With a 1.98 kg weight and 21.95 mm thickness, Cyborg 15 is perfect for on-the-go gaming. The integration of aluminum material on cover guarantees a smooth, high-quality feel on first contact and keeps it light. Parts of the chassis are made with translucent material, including 4 sides and bottom, forming a see-through effect all over the exterior. From ports to screws, ultimate satisfaction for mechanical aesthetics fanatics. Intel Core i7-13620H processor. The 13th General Intel Core i7 processor is here, with improved hybrid core architecture consisting of 6 performance cores and 4 efficient cores, for better multitasking works and running demanding games. 10 cores, 15% performance boost. 512GB NVMe PCIe SSD. 16GB DDR5 RAM. 8GB Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 graphics. Cyberpunk-inspired KEYC APS. Highlighted neon WASD keys for faster and accurate in-game movements. With sci-fi accent space key, arrow keys and power button for added cyberpunk-style touch. Larger touchpad. Enjoy a boundless light touch experience with the 32% larger touchpad size. It's exquisitely center positioned to make sure it stays out of your palm's way when playing games. The 15.6 inches FHD, 1920x1080, IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate. 3-cell 53.5 battery, WHR. Wireless 802.11 AX Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth version 5.3. Webcam, HD type, 30 FPS at 720p. Audio 2x2W speaker Nahimic 3 audio enhancer, high-res audio ready. Delivering up to 7.88 GB per second bandwidth, PCIe General 4 SSD on Cyborg 15A13V makes tasks from large games to heavy load projects a breeze to load. Nvidia GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPUs power the world's fastest laptops for gamers and creators. Built with the ultra-efficient Nvidia ADA Lovelace architecture, they bring a quantum leap in performance with AI-powered DLSS 3 and enable lifelike virtual worlds with full ray tracing. Plus, the Max-Q suite of technologies optimizes system performance, power, battery life, and acoustics for peak efficiency. Nvidia Max-Q is an advanced suite of AI-powered technologies that optimize your system for peak efficiency. This enables blazing fast laptops that are thin, quiet, and have amazing battery life. Next-general cooling for next-general gaming. New CPU and GPU shared pipe design enables real-time heat dissipation balancing between CPU and GPU for improved efficiency. In conjunction with MSI exclusive thermal grease, ensuring maximum performance under extreme gaming.